my pleasure to have this meeting, and thank you so much, Dr. Mashuka, Session Chair, participants, and presenter of this conference. My name is Mohammed Yaqoub. I am from School of Communication, Fujian University, and today my topic is about the Pakistan-Poland relations pursuing the joint future via culture, relation, and diplomacy. There are some backgrounds, some keywords, definitions, and Pakistan and Poland relations, and some recommendations. We know that Pakistan and Poland, they are located on different continents, and Poland has a unified ethnic composition. And on the other side, we have several diverse cultural and linguistic, tribal, and the culinary difference. In this article, actually, we try to just discuss the both nations on the basis of cultural linkage and how we can expand these relations and what are the future prospects. If we see about that, Pakistan is a country which has about fifth in the world with 220 million population. On the other side, Poland has a 39th position in the world with 37, about 2 times of the Karachi population. And we have the famous sports, not national, is cricket, but they have the football. On the other side, capital is Istanbul, the worst mango. And if we talk about the soft power index, they stand at 40th position with 38.5, and we are standing at 83rd, 2 times less than them. And we have religiously Islamic state country, 96% they are Christian. And if we talk about the cinema, we have only 75 with 5th largest population, and the discrete activity on the other side, they have more than 522 screens. Our exports, we have more exports than them. And we talk about it, the soft power. Actually, it is the ability to co-opt rather than coerce. And in other words, soft power involves shaping the presence of the other through appeal and attraction. Defining feature of soft power is that in a no-coercive, the currency of the soft power includes culture, political values, foreign policies, people-to-people relations. And as far as the cultural diplomacy is a type of public diplomacy, and the soft power that includes exchange of ideas, information, art, language, and other aspects of the culture among the nations and their people in order to force the mutual understanding, the mutual cooperation. We also, keeping in this view, the importance to develop this public diplomacy, and we also defined the goals in 2020 in the last tournament. And it was also aimed to build a relation with the decision makers and opinion leaders, and also utilize different projects to shape the foreign policy to come close the nation. And here I would like to discuss some that in international media, when we see that during the war on terror and 9/11 incident after, we face a lot of problems, and it also damaged our image on the international level. And you know, the other nations, they have only source of the media, the international media, and the international media is mostly controlled by the West. So they propagate, that is why when we read about the different people who visit Pakistan, they have totally different opinion as compared to the people who never visit Pakistan. And this is a drawback and this is the pattern. And there is a Polish girl who visited, and I saw when I was writing this article, and I read her, listen her opinion. She said that before she had a different opinion, but after this day, she really liked people, the culture, the everything. So this type of opinion, this type of people need to more give the opportunity to visit, and also our media also need to play. And the other girl, she is a professor in Islamabad, and you can see the video on the YouTube, it's available. She got married with a Pakistani guy, and she was also impressed. She is from Poland. And we also have the same opinion about the Poland as for you can see that that it needs to have been, and in order to have Poland as a friend, and during difficult times in our history, so most of us, they are honest, brave, trustworthy, and hard-working nations, committed to principles, and we are also have like such opinions. But in international media, we can see that there is a lack of these type of information. And there is such opportunities to diplomatic tools, which one is the most powerful is our both nations, the mainstream media. And there is a lack of the information of both nations, such events, even they are not global. So it needs to be given more space. And on the other side, mountain, we have second largest, the second highest mountains and other beautiful regions in the north, and culture, religious tourism, we have opportunities, sports, we can use the sports diplomacy, and as far we know that they are good at football and we are good at the cricket. So we can exchange such, and also of course the film and drama industry. In the present situation, our film industry is also progressing well, and drama industry is better than even India. So we have an opportunity, and we know that the people from the other nations, they watch the content, and the film and drama is such a content which we use to express, to show our culture, and we need to understand this. And as far as we both nations have at the leadership, we have lack of collaboration at the people to people we have, but we need to more focus on also leadership, relationships, visits, and MOUs on different, focusing also the culture and the other aspects. As far as such activities like the research articles, policy papers, conferences, as for this, and this is an opportunity to share the different scholars from both nations, other nations. They can share their opinion about, and they put their, and it is a really great opportunity for us and the scholars and government to participate. At the end, I would like to just what is actually cultural diplomacy, how it works. It actually, we know that the media, the different media, our electronic media, our film, social media, and other drama, they work, the music, the other intangible both culture. Here, I would like to discuss some, like Tifa and Trouble was shoot in Poland, and currently broadly the Netflix free. It is in the most of the part it was shooted in the northern area. It was about a climber of Polish, and we know everybody 3 years before ever. She visited Pakistan and she presented, and it was viral video. So such activities, they promote our soft image. And Yaqoub is a singer, and his Muhammad song was in the Barack Obama list, and in this way we can present ourselves in the same way. Nijat Ali, in a show he was talking about that when he reached America and he got a chance to meet Barack Obama and say we are the peaceful people, and we can see that these people have more access to the leadership, the other nations. So we need to respect these guys to promote these guys, and this is our culture and history. And we can say as for a Muslim country, Saudi Arabia is we follow Saudi Arabia, and we can see that last couple of years they change their policies. They are also forcing their soft powers, and as you know, Salman Khan visited Riyadh and he also performed over there. So they have such these people have such a very influential powers. They are regarded. And the Dangal movie in China is the most famous. I think more than 80% people, when they talk about being a student of film studies, whenever I talk with the Chinese people, they always talk about the Dangal movie, the Amir. Everybody knows about it. And he is presenting the soft power of India. And maybe have a lot of drawbacks, but the Bollywood movie is representing everywhere their soft power. And our music, Raj Patel Khan is the best example. It is also appreciated in our neighborhood. When we also produce such contents like the Mola that is also across the border in K5, and also now no movie is released, but there is a news that the Mola that is going to be released in India. So these things, these are the soft power, and there are a lot of problems which our government need to support, to tackle all those issues which are related to the cultural issues. And I think that our religious leadership, our scholars, all those people who are concerned with that, they also need to understand this, that this culture industry actually promote our soft things. And the others, they don't know nothing. They don't know that the others. They know only what we are. And this culture industry needs to promote it. Thank you so much.